Hello dear students, welcome to the world of programming. So, in the today's session, we will see operators in Java. We have various types of operators in Java. We will see at first what is operator. Operators are used to perform operations on variables or values. We can perform various operations either on variables or on values. Operators always place in between operands. So, here it is an example 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. Here this 10, here this plus and is equal to are operator, where 6, 9 are operands. So, plus is an operator, we are performing addition operation in between these two values 6 and 9. So, when we add both the numbers, we will get 15. Is equal to is also an operator. So, what is operator? It is simply used to perform operations either on values or on variables. Now, we have various types of operators in Java. These are the operators which are primarily used: arithmetic operators, assignment operator, comparison operator, conditional operator, logical operator, bitwise operator and new operator. New operator is new in Java. So, let us start with arithmetic operator: plus, minus, multiplication, division. These are the mathematical operators, or these are called as arithmetic operators. We all know that plus is used for addition, minus is used for subtraction, for multiplication we use this sign, then for division this is the symbol. And the last operator which is important, that is the percentage sign, this is called as modulus sign or modulus operator. Generally, I think you all are aware with the 4 basic operations or arithmetic operators: plus, minus, divide, multiplication. This modulus is an important operator which will always gives us the remainder. So, I will explain you this with the help of example. I am using online compiler of Java. So, you can open Google Chrome, where on the Google you can write down online Java compiler. You will get the first link, you just need to click on that, and here is a compiler of Java. This is the basic structure of program, just we are talking about modulus operator. So, here I am taking two variable, let int a is equal to 10, int is the data type, b is the variable, we are assigning the value here, let the value is 3, we will terminate it with semicolon and will perform an operation and assign it in c variable. So, let c is equal to a modulus b semicolon, and now we need to get the output as we are holding the result in variable c. So, we need c as a output. Now, how this program will work? We are using this modulus operator. So, once we run this program, we will get the remainder once we divide 10 by 3. So, what will be the remainder? 3 into 3 is 9, remainder should be 1. So, now let us run the program. Once we run the program, we will get the output, and our output is 1. You can see here, this is the output of the program, or in the same way we can see the output in that way. The result is, so here this is the output, that is 1. So, modulus operator gives us the remainder. All arithmetic operators I have also taken one example here. Here I am talking about this plus operator, where we are using this arithmetic operator plus. We are simply assigning two values in two variables. A and B are variables here, and 13 and 10 are the values. So, in simple way we can say that this operator will perform in between two variables. A and B are variables. So, the output of this program is, it will gives us the addition of two number. Output of the program should be 23. Another operator is assignment operator. Assignment operator, as its name shows, it is used to assign a values in the variable. For example, if I am writing A is equal to 3, it means I am giving the value. So, if we are writing A is equal to 3, it means we are assigning 3 in this variable. A is a variable, we are simply assigning this 3 into A. So, here we will understand this assignment operator by this example, as we are declaring one variable int b, and we are assigning this value 3 inside the variable b. Now, equal to is an assignment operator. In the same way, we have plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, division equal to, modulus equal to. What does it mean? If I will write down here b plus equal to 10, it means it will take the value of b which is already assigned. So, value of b is 3 plus equal to 10. So, in that 10, that 3 will be added. So, the result which we will get will be 13. So, here the output of the program will be 13. Let us see, the output will be 13. In the same way, we can use minus equal to, multiplication equal to, and so on. Again, I will use the compiler and tell you how we will use the same program. Here I am just write it down in the comment. We are putting this A into the comment, and B plus equal to 10, taking the same example, and here the result is, in place of B I am changing the variable, it should be in place of B I am taking it C. Now, when we run the same program, we will get an error because we missed semicolon here, we have not terminated. So, just stop the execution, put a semicolon and then run it again. Yes. So, here the result is 13. In the same way, if in place of plus I am putting minus, means 3 minus 10. So, what we will get as a result? We will see it, just run the same program. Here the result is minus 7, because 3 minus 10 will be 7. In the same way, multiplication will work. In place of minus, if we put multiply, then it means 3 into 10. So, result should be 30. So, that is called as assignment operators. Next we have comparison operator. These all are the comparison operator. These operators are used to compare the values. The first operator is double equal to, second is not equal to, it is less than, greater than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. These are the main comparison operators. Now, we will see this with the help of example. Here I took the value two variables, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 25. Now, I am putting a condition, if A double equal to B, double equal to B means we are simply comparing these two values. Here the value of A is 24, double equal to value of B is 24. So, it will equate whether the both values are equal or not. If both the values are equal, this is the condition. So, if both the values are equal, it will gives us both are equal, else it will gives us the output B is greater than A. As you can see here, values are not equal. 24 is not equal to 25. So, our output should be of else part. B is greater than A. So, here is the output. You can see B is greater than A. Another example where the same example I am taking, only we are changing the value of B, means here both variables are having the same value and we are putting the same condition, and as the condition is true, so if part will execute and it will gives us both are equal. This will be the output of this. The same thing we can execute in our compiler also. Then we have logical operator. Logical operator is also called as AND or OR operator. So, these are the symbols. The first one is for AND and second one is for OR. Generally, we use these operators when we have multiple conditions to check. For example, you are making a program for finding out the grade of the student. So, what should be the condition for that? The condition is your marks should be greater than 40 and it should be less than equal to 50. Then it will be, condition is that your marks will be greater than 40 and it should be less than or equal to 60. It means person will get second division. So, here we have two conditions. Whenever we have two conditions, we use logical operator. Now, logical AND means both conditions should be true. When both the conditions are true, then only it will go inside. It will check the condition and it will execute that part. And for OR, either one condition is true, it will get inside the condition. So, that is logical operator and these are the symbols of logical operators. Now, we have conditional operator where we can give the condition. So, this is we can use conditional operator, we can give condition, then this is operator, then first value and second value. Next operator is bitwise operator where we use these symbols for bitwise operator and OR, exclusive OR, XOR and inversion. So, these are the signs which we used as a bitwise operator. Now, what this bitwise operator shows, 1 if both are 1. It means in simple way we can have the true or the condition should, it will written 1 if both the values are true. It will 0 if both are 0, if both the condition are false, it will gives you false. Exclusive or 0 if both are same, and inversion is just the opposite. If it is 0, then it will gives us 1, and if it is 1, it will gives us 0. Then this is the new operator. This operator is new in Java. Basically, new operator is used to allocate memory in Java. This new operator can allocate the memory for an object. New operator is used to create an object in Java, and the object which we are creating getting some memory by using new operator. So, this is the syntax for creating an object. So, we can use this new operator by two ways. The first way is class name, then object name. Terminate it with semicolon, then object name is equal to new class name parenthesis with semicolon. I am taking one example. Let the program class name is A space. I am making an object of with the name A, terminate it with semicolon. Then object name A is equal to new operator, class name A, parenthesis, then terminate. This is the first way, this is the general syntax of new operator. Then Another way of creating an object by using new operator, this is a single line statement where we simply write down the class name. So, here class name is A space object name is small a is equal to new class name, again capital A parenthesis and semicolon. So, this is a easiest way of creating an object in Java. These are the two ways by which you can create an object in Java. Next we have precedence of operator. Whenever we solve any mathematical equation that is having some precedence. So, in programming also every operator is having precedence. So, that is how a precedence is declared here. The unary operator, that is plus, minus, inversion, not equal to, plus plus, minus minus, this is unary operator. The highest precedence is of brackets always. Here also it can be a square bracket and parenthesis. So, sorry, square bracket and small brackets. Then next precedence is of unary operator, then multiplicative operator, then we have additive operator, shift operator, relational operator, equality operator, bitwise, logical operator, conditional operator and assignment operator. So, these are the operators which we have in detail, but most primarily used operators which we have discussed in this video.